George, watch your back. Rio, get your back.
Basket. Ay, Paulo ko. Oh, good. Basket.
Defense, locate your man. Locate your man. Corner. Corner, corner.
Oh, good.
Hands up, baby. Hands up.
Foul number 18, he with the ball, the Spurs. Taking on the Blazing Ballista. Shot number 30 seconds.
Get your man. Get your man. Get your man.
Shot number 7 seconds.
Go, Pablo. Behind you. Hold on, India. Hold on, India.
Basket by jersey number 80, Naval.
What's up? Ball screen, Amy. Ball screen.
Martin
Ball screen,
Mirasol.
Amy. Illegal screen.
Running shot, no good. Pass to Mirasol. Oh, basket.
Zion, go out there, Zion. Run, Zion, run.
Side step and gets the foul.
Foul number 18, Manelli Krabs, the Spurs. First team foul for Papa King.
Sige po, ate.
Five pa.
Zion, go for the rebound. Defense, Zion, George. Come on, George. George, come on.
Oh, good. Rebound by Haley.
Heavy violation.
Violation, last 56 seconds.
Hold it, stand it. That guy.
Martin. Block there.
Okay lang, okay lang. Come on, defense. Defense, get your man, hold it.
11 seconds of the shot clock, 11 seconds to shoot.
Go, 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 Amy.
Yeah. Here comes Haley. Oh, there's a foul. She in the line, jersey number 6, Haley Yu.
Second team foul for Papa King. Shooting on the line, Haley Yu.
Basket. Second shot for Haley Yu. No good. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng Kappa King.
Come on. Sige, hurry, hurry. Ball screen. Ball screen, watch it.
Jump shot. No good.
Go, Amy.
Rebound by Haley.
Behind you. Behind you. Rebound, rebound.
What a pass to Paolo Cot. Too strong. And there's a foul.
Foul number 18. Nova.
Mandatory substitution. And muli maraming pong salamat to all the parents. Nakasama natin. Ayan, good morning po. Sa inyong lahat. Okay, second five tayo. Let's go.
Get your man. Hey, hey, get your man. Balik, balik, balik.
Oh, wala. Rebound by number 10. That's a foul.
Liam, Liam, the big guy is yours. On defense.
Atanasio on the free throw area. No good.
Go! Go, Liam! Go, Liam!
Yan, pass sa loob. Jump shot is good.
Get your man! Get Liam! Liam, the big guy!
Number 31, in and out.
Go, Liam! Go, Liam!
Rebound by Liam.
On the way, on the way, on the way!
9. Basket.
Let's go! What's up? What's up? What's up?
Number 7, no good.
Go! Go, Liam!
Rebound pa may number 7. Outlet pass na, bitawan nga lang yun.
Hey, help tayo sa big man. Yan, sa iyan, sa iyan. Yan, yan. The big guy. The big guy.
Whoa, too strong. Oh, good.
Pass the ball, baby. Big guy, pass the ball. Rep, come on now.
Out of bounds.
11 seconds, 11 seconds to shoot.
Pull it.
Oh, hindi ko na magawa. Number 31, in and out.
Go.
good pa rin. Rebound ng Tapa King. There's a foul.
Liam.
Foul number 7, Liam Band at his second personal. 13 foul for Berkeley Power Sox. Shot on 14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot.
Stay good. Stay good.
Step back block there. Mariano. Basket.
Liam. Very good. Very good. Liam. Very good. Liam.
Steal. Timeout, called out. Power Sox. Yan natin ang handle ni Coach Blue para sa called out Power Sox. Remaining time, 1 minute and 19 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Shout out kay Zach C. is watching right now. And congratulations at ikaw ang tinanghal na best player of the game ulit sa ating laban kanina. Okay.
Mabagay na sila. Takbuhan natin.
That's a jump ball.
18 seconds on the shot, 18 seconds to shoot.
Basket.
Here it is, right here.
60 and 6.
Pressure, Liam.
Mariano. Jump shot. No good. Number 10. No
Go.
good.
Go. Bravo. Bravo.
Liam Tan. No good. Oh, still.
Come on, Liam. Come on, Liam. Shoot ball. Shoot ball.
Oh, no good. Any shot? Wala. Nakuha ng Tapa King. Pass number 21. Still. Liam. Tan all the way. Yes, sir. Time out. End of the first quarter. Okay. And at the first quarter, official scores 18-6 in favor of the Gold of Power Sox.
Sumusungin din yan. Nakita ko sa live.
Sup. Wala ka dun. Okay, second quarter tayo. Let's go. Naman pa rin po dito ang Gold Power Sox. Second quarter.
Andres, watch it. Tatakbo yan sa score. Yan, saka. Sa ilalim ka. Yan.
Second quarter.
Help! Sayon! Sayon, help! Help!
Floater, no good. Ayan na nagagawan. Mapapunta ang bola sa Goldo. Outlet pass. Here comes Paolo Co. Too strong. Rebound by Mariano. Mariano.
Stay on him, Andres.
Uy.
That's okay, Andres.
Number 32, Vanessa Cuenta.
Ayan, Andres. Yeah.
First team foul.
Paolo, depensa.
80 seconds of the shot.
Steal by Haley. Bam! Naval. With a jump shot. Oopsie, double dribble. You pass to Paolo, jump shot, no good. Naval, no good. Rebound by Mirasol. One-on-one sila ni Haley. Mirasol, no good. Rebound by Naval. Naval, nagmamadali. Pinasa. Isco, basket.
Stay on it. Stay on it. Stay on it. Haley, pressure. Pressure, Haley.
Oh, steal by Haley. One-on-one again by Mirasol. Battle of point guard. Ay, pick up. Oy! And that's a traveling violation.
Hands up, Haley. Hands up, Haley. One feet.
Mirasol setting on the screen. Mirasol, top of the key for 3. Wala. Oh,
Hey, hey. Come on, defense. Defense, get your man.
10 seconds.
Who there?
steal.
Hey, ahead of you. I watch it. Come on.
Naval. Pass to Haley. Haley with the cross. Haley. Oh. There's a foul.
First team foul, double team. Two goals for Haley Yu.
Haley Yu shooting on the line for 2 play. Shoutout din syempre kay Sir Hefner Yu. Ayan, ang kanyang unang iha ay nagpapamalas lang na naman ng kanyang talento dito sa ating liga na si Haley Yu. Ayan, shoutout po sa iyo, Sir Hefner Yu. Sa mga mahuhusay at future basketball star ngayong parating ang pamilya Yu as well. And Sir Hefner Yu, shoutout po. Tingnan natin dito ang handle ng Tapa King. Remaining time 1 minute and 34 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Haley crossover. Oy, nakalusot na naman si Hailey Yu.
Hey, Hailey. Pressure with no foul. Stay fast. Basket.
Martin Mirasol. Gustong makabawi. No good. Rebound by Paolo Co. Paolo Co. Pass to Naval. All the way. Yes, sir.
Depensa tayo.
Lumalaki ang kalamangan ng Gold Power Sox. Floater, no good. Rebound. Here comes Naval. Naval. Floater, no good. Rebound by Mariano. Mariano nagmamadali. Ayan na si Mariano. No good. Rebound by Hailey. Yu. Nagmamadali. Yu. Oy, wala. Rebound. Bounce pass. That's a 3 seconds violation.
What's that? Hey,
Remaining time, last 20 seconds.
Alex, defense, no foul.
Mirasol, and there's a foul.
Foul number 2 is Valentine. His first. Second team foul for Golden Power Sox.
Hey, come here. Settle. So, ano na lang? Wala. Gusto na natin yung foul. Okay. Ang foul na kailangan natin.
Martin!
Hey, if it misses, we need to get the ball, okay? 11 seconds lang.
Shooting on the line, Martin Mirasol.
Basket para kay Martin Mirasol.
Rebound. Mio! Mio, ikaw yan, Mio! Check the shooter! Check the shooter, Mio! Mio, check the shooter!
Second shot para kay Martin. Wala.
Oh!
Rebound ng Tapaking. Oy.
My grand final is first. Third team foul for Golden Power Sox. Time remaining 7.6 seconds.
7.6 seconds remaining.
Si Martin! Si Martin!
No good. Oy, no good. Ah. Okay, mandatory substitution tayo. Shoutout po to all the parents na kasama natin dito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ayan.
Again! Eyes on Mia, ma!
Okay, second 5.
Mia, get the ball! Get the ball, Mia!
Liam Tan, side step, no good. Rebound by number 10.
Hela!
Mirasol. Sorry, that's number 19.
Spurs, first team foul for both the Power Stars. Count on 30 seconds.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
There's a foul.
Raiden! Raiden!
Foul number 94, Raiden Barrero, his second. Penalty.
Penalty. Goal to Power Sox under penalty situation.
Sitting on the line for penalty fouls.
Icaros on the free throw area. First shot is good. No good.
Go!
Liam, nabitawan. So Liam Tan.
Hand up! Hand up! Huli!
Traveling violation.
Bigay mo na! Bigay mo na!
Bad pass.
Hey, iba! Iba!
'There's a foul. Pushing foul. Foul dito si Barreto. Bola dito ng Tabaki. Penalty, penalty.
Hey! Go down! Go down! Come here! Hey!
Anton shooting on the line. No good. $29.8 po ang ating talaan. According sa ating official.
He's a big guy! Box up! Stay low! Stay low!
No good.
Come on! Behind you! Behind you!
Liam Tan, no good. And that's a jump ball.
No fouls, come on. Straight defense, stay there.
Short.
Great ball.
Liam Tan. Back to Liam. Tan umatake and gets a foul.
Defense! Defense!
Foul number 2, Shaka Steele.
Last 2 minutes.
Second team foul for Republican. Going second to the shot clock.
Wow, nakalusot. Basket. Double digit na rin ang score. ng Tapa King. Oh, good. That's a blocking foul.
Foul number 15, Mateo Licaros.
Mateo Licaros.
His second personal. Third team foul for Tapa King. Attacking the line, Liam Pan.
First shot para kay Liam is good. Ayan na. Nasa corner. Stop and foul. No good. Rebound. Wala pa rin.
Go!
Pass to Tan, 4-3, short. Reverse layup, no good pa rin. Tumira, wala. Rebound na dito ng Tapa King. Last 21 seconds. What an extra pass. Basket is good. Finding the open man.
Go, Liam!
Last 8 seconds.
5,
4, 3, 2. Alright. End of the first half. At tayo magbabalik para sa ating third quarter. At the half, magbabalik tayo. Magkakap muna tayo for the meantime.
Dot! Pakilaluan.
As of now, ang official score po natin is 32-12. At magbabalik tayo para sa third quarter. Muli, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga bumubuo ng ating liga. And especially to all the parents at sa ating mga supporters. Ayan, we would like to thank the Acro City, Vito's Barbecue, Jersey Haven, Sista, Tapa King, Goto Power Sox, Auto Guard, and Sudo World. Ayan. And syempre, ganun din ang mga parents natin. Ayan. Na laging nakasuporta sa atin. Nakakat po muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa ating third quarter or second half. Don't go away. Oh, by the way, tingnan na muna natin ang team standing as of now. Ito po, ang still on top, ang Auto Guard win kanina. 3-0 na po sila ngayon. At ang sumusunod naman ang Tapa King. And the third one is Sista. And the last row is the Goto Power Sox. O maganda ang pinapakita ngayon ng Goto. At mukhang makukuha na nila ang kanilang unang panalo. Hoping ngayong araw. Kita-kita po tayo para sa ating second half.